Yo guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we are doing a full in-depth review and trial of the Bezzera Mitica, which is just a gorgeous machine. Obviously we have a heat exchanger system with a dual boiler. We've got our PID, we've got our joystick wands, which are just gorgeous. I mean, I personally like this style of wand a little bit better just because we obviously get a little bit more fluid motion when we are trying to make a drink, trying to steam something, trying to pour water. So nice levers, black levers on everything here, which these are unscrewable, and then you can actually change these out, which is quite nice as well. So you can change these into the wood knobs, which you can buy separately. Bezzera does sell a kit for that, a wood handle kit. So you can get that for all three of these, and then you can get that for your portafilter too, if you wanted a different portafilter. Now this is the double that comes with it, just with the spout. But if you wanted to just do a bottomless portafilter, we do have the wood ones available that actually you can get with a wood handle set that matches everything together. So quite nice. Make this a little bit more custom if you choose to. We've got a cup warmer on top, which is just kind of a passive cup warmer. Obviously I've got some heat coming off this a little bit coming up from the boiler, so you are going to get warmth up here if you want to put your cups up top, but that's passive. It's not like there's a button to actually heat the cups up. It's just passive with how the heat exchanger is set up. And then we will be doing this video with the Chiato E37 SD grinder. Now this is a fantastic grinder, and we have this in store as well. This is going to be a secondary video. Now we're going to do separately. I want to get into this at some point as well, but more importantly, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making a few drinks. We've got our beans, we've got our tamper, we've got everything set up and ready to go, and we've got Shepard helping us out with the video today. So without further ado, let's make some drinks.
Today I'm going to do two drinks for you. The first one is an espresso. So we have the Chiato E6P setup. We are grinding the coffee right now. After we grind the coffee, we will just give it a very nice temp and level. After that, we will put it onto the Mitica's grip head here and start brewing. So once it is done, we have our espresso here. The second drink I'm going to make is a latte. So before I make the coffee, I would like to pour in the milk and get it ready. Then grind the coffee here. After we grind the coffee, make sure it is level and give it a nice temp. And get the cup ready. Now we will make the espresso shot. First. And while it is making, we can start to steam the milk. So we perch it first and start steaming. So once we finish steaming, we can make the latte here. Now we have our latte.
Go ahead.
So the third drink I'm going to do today will be an Americano. First we grind the coffee. So after we grind the coffee, we can prepare the hot water first. And then we put the portafilter onto the grip head and begin brew the coffee. So we have our Americano here.
Okay, so that concludes our video. Obviously pretty straightforward. We made a few different drinks. Always good to see a latte on a machine like this as well. Important to actually see how effective and how easy it is to use that wand. Keep that PID in check the entire time. And the nice part about that dual boiler is the fact that it is going to allow you to pour a shot and pour the water or the steam at the exact same time. So if you are looking a beautiful machine like this, we still have a few of the Miticas in stock, unlike everybody else right now. So if you want to get into one of these bad boys, check it out at our website at anthonysespresso.com. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and have fun, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.